This video we will be creating videos with the help of our voiceover. Just go over here to canva.com and let's create a video for our YouTube channel. Just search for video over here and click on this video icon. You will see a lot of templates here. Just go with a blank one. Okay, so we are inside our video editor, which is really simple to use. Just follow my instructions. Just click on upload, and I need to upload my audio file here. Upload files, and just this is our voiceover. Just open, and here inside audio it will be uploaded. So our voiceover is uploading, and on that voiceover we need to add our stock videos, and Canva has a lot of stock videos that are available for free. So let's wait a second until it's complete uploading, and then we'll proceed. So the voiceover is uploaded. I can click on the voiceover and it will be added to our timeline. And if I add more sections, so these are the 5-second sections that I have added. So the next thing that we need to do is we need to add stock footage that is related to our voiceover.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Finance with Hader.
So it's talking about finance with Heather. So let's go into elements and search for finance and go into videos. So we need to add a video. Just drag it and drop it on the here. So this is the 17-second video we have added over here. Just go over here to the next one, add another video like this. Just make it a little shorter because I think it's too long. Go to the third one, add this video over here like this. Go over here, add another video related to finance, and keep on repeating this process. You can make it smaller. For example, if I want this video to last 6 seconds, I can make that, and then add another video onto here, make it less time, 6 seconds. Make this one as well a little bit less because it's 30 seconds. 30 seconds is too much. Let's go at 12 seconds. Let's add this video over here like this. Reduce the size a bit and add another video. So as you can see, all the videos that have this pro mark over here, they are not free, they are paid. I'm using a paid version of Canva, so I'm able to use them, but you can only use the free version videos. Like if I click over here, so if I go into filters and search for free, apply filters, so these are the free videos. You can add these. Reduce the size, go over here, so add this video over here, add this video, and yeah, we have completed our voiceover. As you can see, voiceover is ended here. Delete this one and delete this one as well. So if I go on to the start of this video and if I play this,
hey everyone, welcome back to Finance.
so it sometimes buffers, that's okay. Let's start it from here.
Everyone, welcome back to Finance with Hader.
So as you can see, we have our voiceover, and you can see after this video, the other video will start.
Basics to help you get started.
Okay, so if you want to add transitions, you can just come up here and add a transition that will, add a transition between those two images and apply between all pages. So this transition is applied between all of the pages. You can change the transition like this one. Yeah, if you like this transition line vibe, you can add this and apply to all pages. So for now, I have created this whole video. If you want, here you can see it mentioned that finance with Heather, our name. So I can just go on here, add some text saying finance with Heather, So just if you want to add text, you can also add text here. You can add different effects to your text as well, and you can do a lot of stuff with this as well. So if you want, you can add text, you can add different kind of text here. So for now I'm removing this, and let's download this video. So you can download this video just like this, and you have your complete video that is ready to be uploaded onto YouTube. So let's wait a couple of seconds and let me show you the final results. So the video took about 10 minutes to be downloaded. Now you can upload it on YouTube. Let's see the results.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Finance with Hader. Today we're going to talk about investing in stocks for beginners. Investing in the stock market can seem intimidating, but it can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. In this video, we'll go over some basics to help you get started. First, let's define what a stock is. A stock represents ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a small piece of that company. If the company does well, the value of your stock will increase, and you can sell it for a profit. To buy stocks, you'll need to open a brokerage account. There are many online brokerages available, and they make it easy to buy and sell stocks. You'll need to link your bank account to your brokerage account to transfer money in and out. There are two main types of stocks: common stocks and preferred stocks. Common stocks give you voting rights in the company, while preferred stocks have priority in receiving dividends. As a beginner, you'll likely want to focus on common stocks. Choosing stocks can be tricky, but there are some basic things to look for. You'll want to look at the company's financials, including revenue, earnings, and debt. You'll also want to look at the industry the company is in, and any recent news or events that may affect its stock price. Investing in stocks comes with risks, and it's important to be aware of them. The value of your stocks can go down as well as up, and you could lose money. It's important to diversify your portfolio and not put all your eggs in one basket. So that's a basic overview of investing in stocks for beginners. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel Finance with Hader for more videos on personal finance and investing. Remember to do your research, start small, and don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate gains. Investing is a long-term game, and with patience and discipline, you can grow your wealth over time.